TaskRabbit is a platform that connects people with local freelancers, called taskers, who can assist with various tasks like furniture assembly, cleaning, moving, and more. To begin, open your browser and go to TaskRabbit.com. On the homepage, you can explore different services. TaskRabbit makes it easy to find reliable help. Just choose a task, find a tasker nearby, and book the job at your preferred time. To sign up, click on Sign Up at the top right corner. If you want to become a tasker, click on Become a Tasker. You'll be directed to a page where you need to enter your first name, last name, email, phone number, password, and zip code. Once completed, click Create an Account. If you already have an account, log in by entering your email and password. If you're signing up as a tasker, select your area and choose the type of service you want to offer. For example, if you specialize in furniture assembly, moving help, or cleaning, pick a category and click Get Started. Fill in your details, acknowledge that you are a service provider, and complete the account setup. Once signed up, you can browse different services such as furniture assembly, including bookshelves, desks, and TV mounting. Other popular services include moving assistance, cleaning, home repairs, yard work, and painting. TaskRabbit allows users to browse taskers based on their ratings, hourly rates, and availability. For example, if you need TV mounting, search for the service, enter your location, and click Continue. You'll see a list of available taskers, along with their ratings and prices. Choose a tasker, pick a date and time that suits you, and confirm your booking. Payments are processed securely through the platform, making the process hassle-free. TaskRabbit is a simple and reliable way to get everyday tasks done. Whether you need help assembling furniture, cleaning your home, or moving heavy items, the platform connects you with trusted professionals. With flexible scheduling and secure payments, TaskRabbit makes finding assistance quick and easy. Sign up today and get started.